Think a pig is just a clumsy, lazy slab of bacon? Think again. You've been fed a lie by cartoons and petting zoos. In the raw, unfiltered wild, those oinkers aren't just animals. They are walking, breathing tanks. When a snake, the world's most efficient, silent killer, meets a wild hog, it's not a fight. It's not even a contest. It's a one-sided demolition. Sit down, grab a drink, and let me tell you why the hog is the ultimate nightmare for anything that slithers in the dirt. Let's talk stats, and I mean real, battlefield-ready specs. A wild hog isn't just skin and muscle. It's a multi-layered defensive system. First, you've got the bristles. These aren't just hairs. They're coarse, stiff needles that can reach 5 centimeters or more. They act like a pre-armor standoff screen. A snake tries to strike. It has to fight through a forest of spikes before it even touches the hole. Now, let's say the snake gets lucky. It reaches the skin. Most vipers have fangs designed to puncture soft flesh, but a hog's hide is 1 to 2 centimeters of pure leathery toughness. To a snake, fighting a hog is like you trying to stab a tractor tire with a toothpick. You're just going to bend your tool and piss off the owner. But here's where the hog really cheats. The fat. Under that armor-plated skin lies a 10-centimeter layer of subcutaneous fat. In the world of biology, fat is a dead zone for venom. Why? Because fat has almost no blood vessels. Most snake venoms need to reach the bloodstream or the lymphatic system to travel and do their dirty work. When a viper strikes a hog, it's injecting its expensive, high lethality cocktail into a thick slab of yellow grease. The venom just sits there. It's stuck in the lobby, diffusing at a snail's pace, doing absolutely zero damage to the vital organs. To a hog, a lethal bite is just a local itch that goes away after a nap. While the snake is struggling to pull its fangs out of that rubbery hide, the hog is already finishing the job. This isn't a predator that plays with its food. The hog is a pragmatist. One bite, and it's a total headshot. We're talking about jaw pressure that can crush bone like it's dry kindling. The hog doesn't care about the snake's deadly reputation. It doesn't care about the warning rattles or the hood of a cobra. To a hog, a snake is just a Slim Jim with an attitude. It'll snap a viper in half, shake it until its spine is dust, and then, here's the kicker, it'll eat it. Head, fangs, venom sacs, and all. Think about the irony. This deadly venom is actually just a complex mix of proteins and enzymes. As long as those proteins go into the stomach and not the veins, they're just nutrients. The hog's stomach acid is a chemical furnace. It breaks down that neurotoxic liquid gold into basic amino acids. You think your venom is a terrifying weapon? The hog thinks it's a spicy protein supplement. Go tell your fears to the hog's digestive juices. They're the only ones listening. Now, let's go deeper. Let's talk about the alpha neurotoxins. This is the stuff that makes the king cobra the king. These toxins work like a master key. They rush to your nerve endings, find the nicotinic acetylcholine receptors, the locks that control your muscles, and plug them up. Result? Your nerves can't talk to your muscles. Your lungs stop pumping. You suffocate while your heart is still beating. Game over. But the hog? The hog is a hacker. Evolution gave it a genetic cheat code. Over millions of years of living in the same mud as vipers, the hog's receptors have mutated. They've subtly changed their molecular shape. It's like the hog saw the snake coming with a master key and decided to change the locks on every door in its body. When the neurotoxin arrives, it looks for the receptor, but it doesn't recognize it. The key doesn't fit. The poison has nowhere to go. What kills 20 grown men in 30 minutes barely gives a hog a deeper sleep. It's not even a fight, it's a biological mismatch. While the rest of the animal kingdom is playing by the rules of be fast or be dead, the hog just updated its software and rendered the snake's hardware obsolete. Hogs don't just wait for trouble, they find it. They don't wait for an ambush, they initiate the demolition. A hog's nose is a high-frequency radar for calories. Snakes love hiding in the cool, damp brush or in shallow burrows. Guess where the hog spends its afternoon? Right there. With that muscular snout, a tool designed for heavy demolition, the hog locks onto a snake's burrow and starts the bulldozer. It doesn't dig, it grinds. It flips rocks, uproots bushes, and tears through the earth. Most snakes rely on you not seeing them. That strategy is useless against a hog that can smell your fear through 6 inches of topsoil. Once the burrow is exposed, the snake is usually still in processing mode. Before it can even coil, the hog is already crunching through its midsection. It's an all-you-can-eat buffet where the food tries to fight back, but the hog has already muted the pain setting in its menu. Don't forget, hogs aren't just solo tanks. They carry infantry support. They travel in sounders, groups of highly intelligent, highly aggressive family members. If a snake manages to surprise a piglet, it's not just dealing with one pig, it's dealing with a coordinated counterstrike. Adult hogs have been known to circle a threat like a SWAT team. They don't have a fear reflex, they have a total annihilation reflex. They will trample a nest of vipers into the mud until there's nothing left but a smear of scales and venom. It's scorched earth's policy, biological style. Never mistake a hog's clumsy look for weakness. They are the ultimate survivors, because they are the ultimate no BS machines. They are brutal, they are efficient, and they are relentlessly violent when pushed. Most animals, when wounded, look for an exit. They try to save their own skin. A wild hog, when it's hurt, it goes insane. It flips a switch from foraging mode to berserker mode. It doesn't want to escape. It wants to erase you from the map. It will charge through gumfire, through thorns, and through venom just to put its tusks through your center of gravity. Look at the checklist. High defense with armor-plated skin and venom-trapping fat. High attack with bone-crushing jaws and tusks like combat knives. Immunity through genetic locks that make the world's deadliest poisons look like tap water. Intelligence that allows for social coordination and elite-level tracking. And adaptability. They eat anything, live anywhere, and breed like there's no tomorrow. Aside from us humans with our high-power rifles and our spreadsheets, there isn't a species on this rock that can truly hold a hog down. They are the Earth's raw, dirty endurance. They are the proof that if you're tough enough, smart enough, and don't care about fighting fair, you can win the game of evolution. So, the next time you see a hog, don't think about bacon. Think about the tank that eats vipers for breakfast. Think about the animal that saw the most terrifying weapons in nature and decided to just ignore them. I am Thorn, and these are my field notes.